Okay, so we have a new, we got a new delivery today, or I got a new delivery today, and as I was very satisfied by what I received last week. So just as a reminder, this is another video for the unboxing. It was the TYGR 300R from beyerdynamic, which is honestly the price, the ratio price value is really good. It's a really good headset for at this price. Of course you have better things on the market, but for like 135 euros, it's a really good one. I already use it a lot for the last few days, and it was coming with the bundle, this bundle with the microphone, the Fox microphone, and but really this headset is really good. And so I put the headset back. So what I got today, because I'm really satisfied by this, I decided to order something a bit different, a bit better, and this time it's the DT 1990 Pro. So it's pretty, I would say, pretty famous headset. So I will open the box. I did not open the box yet, so I'm going to discover at the same time what is inside. There are no information on the box. So there's documentation, another documentation. What is this? Warranty, headphone, tiny manual, in different languages. At least there's, I would say, more literature for this one than compared to the TYGR 300R. And we have the box, the case, pretty big case. Smelly also, smells plastic. And this is what we have inside. So I guess you open it maybe more like this. So let's see what we have. Nice cable with, yeah, I think it's the same than this one, right? Already have another one from the TYGR. It's not exactly the same. Okay, so the one from TYGR, which is there, here. Okay. So you have two cables. Yes, for, okay, so I got it. So yeah, so you use either this one or the other one, and some cushion. So very similar to the not exactly to the TYGR. I don't know. Yeah, probably similar. I don't know exactly what is the difference. I didn't check much before opening the box, so I just bought it online, and I know this is an excellent pair of headphones, because okay, you can compare it. You cannot compare it to, for example, the Sennheiser HD 800S, for example. But I think it's giving better result than the Sennheiser 660S, slightly better. But this one, the price I paid, 400 13, I think, euros. So just a little bit more than 400 euros. And I think besides tiny peak in the high, let's say in treble, the rest of the sound is pretty good. So yeah, it's an open back like the other one. And yeah, very nicely made. You can see very metal, so same as the other one. The cable is outside still. I don't know if it's good, but well. So you have some information. Left, the serial number. Here, if left is there, this is right. So the cable is on the left side. Yeah, very nice pair of headphones. But at the same time, I think it's pretty, I don't know, looks, or it seems at least heavier than the TYGR. TYGR is not that light, but this one seems heavier, and yeah, maybe, yeah, seems to be, okay, it's new, it has to be used a bit, but I think the pressure is pretty, it's pretty, yeah. So yeah, so nice case, pretty big case actually. I'm not sure I will go to the office with it. I still go to the office from time to time, but I'll check this. What is the difference exactly? I didn't check anything, so probably it's written in the documentation what we do. Received exposure to the sound, so-called cam here, part for sound with slight bass boost. So this is for slight bass boost compared to the other ones. So yes, it's just okay. So that's the difference. They really look the same, but yeah. So this is maybe with less bass boost and more bass boost. So I think I will stay with the standard one for now, at least. I don't even know if I will notice the difference, to be honest. But yeah, it's and it's pretty nice. They gave two, so we have two. Yeah. So yeah, pretty nice bundle as usual. I mean, good quality. I mean, it's beyerdynamic, so beyerdynamic Sennheiser. Yeah, giving good things at the end. So you know what you pay for. So yeah. So now I just need to test it. I'm afraid I did not receive actually my DAC, digital to analog converter, yet. They're supposed to receive it in 10 days, so I will have to wait. So for now, I'll just plug it directly on the computer, or probably on this kind of mini DAC I have. And or I will connect it on the Fox microphone. Probably it will be powerful enough. And yeah, it's the same actually. The TYGR is 250 ohms, if I remember correctly, and this is the same, 250 ohms as well. So you can see the difference. Yeah, pretty similar. Okay, the quality, perceived quality is much better here, but you can see it's the same company making both actually. Yeah, it's very similar and very nice design. Yeah, it's pretty nice. here you cannot remove the cable. This is I think a bad thing on the TYGR. It would be nice to have to be able to change the cable, but for the rest, yeah, I think the setup is very similar. So, but here you can change the headband. It's very soft. Yeah, it's very similar. Yeah. So that's it for now.